I want to do a very thorough tutorial on how to use our smooth edge can opener. First of all, you're not going to go on the side of the can like a normal can opener. You're actually going to go on the top. And you're not going at it at an angle, you're going straight at the can. So what you want to do is you can see this little part that bumps out. You can see this part that bumps out from this angle. You're just going to go straight at the can until it bumps into that. Again, you're not going on the side, you're going straight at it. And all you need to do is start twisting and it'll grab the can and you can feel the pressure. I like to move both of my hands at once. I move the can back with this. And then when you feel the pressure release a little bit, that means you've reached the full circle. And all you need to do to undo it is go back the other direction. It comes right off. Now when it's connected, you can lift the can with it. When it's disconnected, it comes off the can, and then you're going to look at this little parrot beak right here, little bird beak, and there's a little knob on this side, and that moves that bird beak up and down. So what you want to do is you want to grab the lip of your can with that and lift it off. So you can see it comes right off. The edge is smooth. You could even set it back on there and it's closed, and you can just lift it right off. And that's how to use the smooth edge can opener. This other little part here is if you have what do they call it? The pry top cans, like sometimes especially fruit has the little like soda pop lids, and if you're having a hard time reaching that, getting your finger under there, sometimes they're really tight, and you can just pry that under there and lift it off that way. So that's what this little part is for. And that's the end. Let me know if you have questions. I'm happy to help.
Turn it around again so we can see the back side. Okay.